Let's make cabbage omelette today. Ingredients are cabbage and eggs. Sliced cabbage. Crack eggs into bowl. Season with salt and pepper powder, then beat until frothy. Stir-fry cabbage. I like it square. You may keep it as it is in round shape. Flipped and let it fried for another 1 minute. Cabbage omelette is done. Quick and easy recipe. This omelette comes with crunchy cabbage taste on every bite. It's delicious. Give it a try, it's yummy. Follow my channel for more delicious recipes. Don't miss the next recipe, ya. Thanks for watching. See you in next video.